Today we are here for a GD on the topic poverty in India. In my opinion, although India is a developing country, still there is a large number of poverty in India, and also there is uh, there is a large number of people in India who cannot fulfill their basic needs. So for my information, for my
proper information is provided to the people, as in proper proper information, if it is provided to the people, then definitely people would step up. I believe there is this gap between the population and the government, as in the government does launch a scheme, it does plan, but the information is not reached to the people. It can be bridged by digital sources, by endorsing advertisements in televisions and in regional languages, so that the poorest of the poor can benefit from the governmental schemes.
According to Lifting Millions, uh, over the lack of 250 million people who were successfully moved out from multidimensional poverty.
The UN also focuses on poverty by sustainable developmental goals, such as SDG number 1, which focuses on no poverty, SDG 5, which focuses on gender equality, and SDG 8, which ensures proper and safe economic growth. This also showcases that poverty is not just a national issue, it is a global one, and one that involves cooperation of multiple countries to eradicate.
I partially agree with just number 30.
opinion, it is a very simple thing for our nation, and it should be eliminated.
I agree with just number three that poverty in India has become a very big, very huge problem. It has stopped our development, and it shows us that India still needs to go a large way. The rich is getting much richer, and the poor is getting poorer, which is getting our development, which is a very big obstacle for our development.
I agree with just number 33. Yes, people are shifting from the rural areas to the urban areas, which is also a leading point that areas are not being developed and creating lack of the job infrastructure, and which is leading the poverty over there. And in the same hand, we can see in urban areas where people have make a crush where job infrastructure has been become less, and which is leading over there for a poverty.
I agree with stage number one that in rural areas, around 70 to 80% peoples are in poverty. But in urban areas, there are less number of poverty because the peoples are migrating from the urban areas to big cities, which makes in the poverty effective.
I agree with just number 4 that in India that is 50% of the population is contributed in the agriculture, but agriculture only 18% contribute in the GDP. So it's also the reason of poverty.
I agree with just number 26. Actually, poverty have started due to the British colonization, and during 1947, after the independence, about 70 to 80% total population of our country was under the poverty line, and now this
Poverty, due to which participation of India as the rich become more richer and the poor become more poorer. This is also the main reason behind poverty in India.
I agree. And the main reason is also a corruption. If scheme is same for every state, scheme are same for every state, but why states like Jharkhand, Bihar is lagging behind? I believe that because of corruption.
In my point of view,
In this aspect, and this variation in poverty levels in the states is education. Education has been a major focus in the South Indian states. As a result, we see this regional disparity in poverty rates.